to you by Omama Royal Chocolate.
Delicious.
No, don't mommy be here.
KTA Mobile.
It's the future.
Sam Estate. Slam Technologies.
The open computer school wow teachers no wa botre no betimi a kire wa eno an Slam Technologies.
GhanaMats.com. Auction Cars. Jack SP App.
Me God.
Tiger Nut Powder. Fourth Wheel Solicitors UK. Elgibo App.
Download it on Google Play and Apple App Store now.
Memo ajo na mamo akwaba as usual yeba bedi nkomo we Kofi TV interview for the day. Lawyer Morris Sampao ye shia di nkomo ache kakra nyame ayadom wono kra de takra de ton no hye na me se I want to say omampani fire wo hosa brane ni hu nkomo and other issues kakra na watoto mu all the way from Takra the Ghana Bar Association wo mo nhye mu a wo mo ekoye omampani ko wase no o tutu mu babedru ha ti babedi nkomo issues no doso ye be ko baabia na ya hwe sede ye ho ensemtie enti mema na kwa aba na ya ma na kwa aba proper because o hwe Kofi TV a shase a me no mu ana shase nipa me no mo shase kum chacha Lawyer Morris Sampao and afi council lutot afi de we Lawyer Morris Sampao ye so busy ye hwe na ye aja emu ajo
me so binya
ehia e na ake
I won't say pressure
aguma yi
pressure no de ko bibie bi
asemo
ya eguso ma fa so enchia ma hwefo yi ni so mo so mo nyam time no mo hwe
obi ajo so o controversies ni bi na bi wo ho a obitime ka se ya na se we de to say say obi mpamu agro ogege ho boro so a na otia utimi siu no but so far Ghana be nsie
won't say
no is this say somebody has not tested the law
that be won't say there is something about the law because once say sex is matter ye no your bedroom and people see it more confidential less a secret a private into no that aspect of the law no juma more wo abuchiri into won't say omo hwe for abuchiri no ti da mekanase Ghana no juma but the problem is say obi an test ye who say you feel be new science like I say new science and then new science dey
look nansen ya me ko Cubana program ewo Columbus Ohio na me hotel room no me hwem wo bi de ano no me te say you know sana hotel still can I see you say
yeah definitely you can report to the authorities to say obi abeda ho but o create new science because also who the right to have peaceful enjoyment
of life. Me dan na nchen like me nam lane no mo ko no
oh yeah definitely yes onu kwan you see yan kan say
even in a hotel
yes
not in your private residence
yes hotel no we book ho and so you must enjoy the place at the time and it's your private place and you must enjoy it into we say we call hotel rooms bia no you to make the rules and regulations to make say don't shout somebody is sleeping like the law works at a hotel there were hotel laws so who to be creating new science in a hotel room can you imagine say bia we are hotel now why would this all about no the other day bantu the same way
no and but when it gets to MOANING
they beat you
no involuntary
they be involuntary
oh yeah involuntary
yeah moi share no so you control bibia che eso nyin ho man say dije ho but me ntetimu na be ntetimu dede ye is different from you dede nye ye ne wo no be man no ba have sex ram wo demu a inter ka say no man mun demu na mun have sex and na mun have sex a wo be unye ni wo demu so a na wo ye no wo bi a hwe se obi eni o hwe na ni nyi ho no noise be app na wa saw the television and then the radio o dey say na dede no because the moment noise no uti to be found with this so enti no ni hu ne say wo hye ho na oni obi da no
radio
in your mind no have your neighbor around and for the law of negligence say you have the right say oni obi be hye but who right no it stop at the nose of somebody meaning that who right is limited the person who you know you have a responsibility towards your neighbor. It let's assume you say who a compound house na mo dan no ebemben na room ni obi room plywood dey twemu a anytime ma won no yire ko she dem na won say ada papa to ko she dem no mo have sex no mo have in mind say one enkwala ho it you are telling me say oba 7-8 years eda sigi room na won no yire mo be hye so a na kwala na eda ho na oba no titim agye ukumyo agye mi do na kwala enyane no motro the following day one in law no of obscenity who say kwala no you are debasing them, you are corrupting them, you are defiling them because in kwala no san no mote no eye bibia e dey dwaman bobe wo mumu tu no e bi be ko school akoka hey today my father was beating my mother and then my mother was crying sure what I say depend upon the maturity of the girl it no man no kwala no kwenti no anything so mo neighbor it mo da mo ne ma da na even pano ye tuku tukata mo bi wan pano e pano to be gidi in pano kwa na ye de chain mo ino na pano bu bra obi pursue in aboti you I think say obi a ne landlord bi obi ye de bi sexually no my contest law no if no
and are you ready to
yes I'm ready to do that
really decide cases
seriously excessive noise excessive mowing it's an offense it's a wrong it's against the fundamental human right of your neighbors because who enjoy who enjoy
the compound house unless somebody case na momo pro bono
why should enjoyment disturb somebody who enjoy now who enjoy no to be na esunya mo yes sex na obi akọ tempo mo ko tie yeah they different.
Okay, but yes. How do you prove in the court of where you say
let's assume say mo compound house mo ko atapa na tama ko she di mo no mo ti okra na mo nda no na ntetem no koso no na obi asere utu ko feria beti bi evidence feria hwe de ekoso uwia utu bi confirm measurement u measure the noise level. Yes, say utubi take utubi video.
Okay.
With the oteno utubi to video na did ni abemu a otna alpano utubi call AMA and city authorities echo complaint of nuisance say look in your house there's this couple anytime they are sleeping you can't sleep, anytime they are having sex you can't sleep, the noise level is said that it's unbearable. These are some of the recorded version of it. Omuti I will say fine anytime they are having sex no yama onoma frey they will come around now omu nim say bia ye monitor munti no ampa omaya mo and that way no you can be charged in court. In fact you can sue the person for breaching your rights for excessive mowing. It's a serious offense. Abrochi ya jail obi sa ya finding conformity the Ghana no yan hwe ni because in kola wumu wan hwe ya no wa say kola no o dey say na won kwale dey wo dana kola ni entumi nda ye no wo dana obia enyane ebi to me ntina me kasa me ni abre won
ebi to me
how me ko fo dey na me ko ye case for high court yeah me ba na me ko ye mistake o bo 8-9 no na me ko no me energy drink say me nim sanom it be ko bo energy drink me no me ba na me to me nda be run by 11-12 na ntumi nda ti my real expressless me ko sha young boy ni young girl bi so me da hotel no mo ta me soro enti no mo ba no to me so mo bukakra to mo ba crack mo nan no enti no if no mo kasa ote
okay
the couple 11-12 enti you very quiet it been se pin to for bete enti mo be nyan ko mo bo nyan be nyan na mete
okay
o mo ko ra top no o mo yo mu nyan no we you shirt na mete o dey say e ko dware na mete obama na ekete say ne de me yo na mete It's like I'm in my room, but I say you're running commentary. Oh yeah, I didn't see one of send Obano. I come you, Emido. Miss Obana, Miss Ebed, Omen to man. Omo you no mo die you. Be feel a minute when down me say my wife for her. My girl for her. If I me bread because omo you come to na but not do. Me come. Oh yeah, because it's like we imagine the way I get no jiji hona. Yeah. Now we da hona we bread because we didn't know. And na to be pie. What do I say? You bought 1, 2. And to move you no more about that. It we say na the tiano. In fact, me call hotel ran over. Me catch on me say, "Omonko catch on me so say next time the debut, let me take that sound." Monsieur, because omo take me found this so I didn't enjoy the facility. Until anybody or disturb you sexually, no, to be report no, to be taken on the same right.
Your appetite.
Yes, it we say me minimum fianka the following rates but fairly court suit na ma serve you so we na court bet in dia omo bebe da hotel minimum da ho mama mentu manda because omo dey no mo year sexually no ama me to be that is violation of my right and enjoyment of the facilities that become higher. I went and paid to have peace and enjoy the hotel room.
But they gave
me sleepless night. They
no, but there are others who enjoy.
They assaulted me sexually.
But there are some who enjoy it.
Who enjoy any new science until you take it. Once I said nyum dede, obi wa baby anyum wope. Until oyo obi ana nyum dede eye new science. Until new science le dede irritative. Unwelcome. Until obi on the level of tolerance to new science. Obi wo dede. Bibe dede wo, but obi won so pe bibe dede wo. Inta akwa say sorry. Na u fie ben sorry. Na omo ye all night. Tell you bon sem na utu say tongues no kra emba. O dey say and dey yakra ne ye wo music ear na unni upe nyom na asori bia utu say instrumentalist no mo nim instruments no bo. When them how it utu say oda ono say nyom ne dey po how to me the tonum. Yeah. E to be bomb pay afem da but nyom ne da. Say body nam ha no na guitar nam ha. The nuisance will be too much. Into normally no say it to be noise nuisance. There was smell nuisance. And there was sexual nuisance. And those who understand law will understand. But what until on answer because I rampa and I want to answer because you brother make and I think come on we no et answer pa.
O he na tete wa pe headphone na fa show ti.
I forward for you. I didn't know who enjoy it me na me ko boka. Me na me ko boka who enjoyment anytime we enjoy it no na we ko to phone. Anyway too. In fact, I say a next compound house no. Obia ko da feel that cry with responsibility say obehwe say obia die peaceful. People must put notice there. This house when you are having sex in moderation. But maybe and then you remember no mutiti no. Shame to you obema you no bad da utiti mu. And then was cry. Mama be so yes how. Oh, baby, what did they done now? On the Nigeria, no Kim, no mass spiritual tongues. Where's a cadet? I didn't go here. And the first we did say, oral sex is biblical, it's unnatural. The Bible is unnatural, be a criminal offense. Say, oba, obeta for obasi, it's unnatural. And Biblia, Bible, and does. Because nyame boss so na asase no the purpose of creation no, is about Christ. What I say nyame I say in the beginning was the word and the word was with God and the word of God and nothing was done. It is the aye bia they see the nyam na nyame so boss so na asase no ye ni pedua no o manual. What say obi manufacture bia wo manual yeah how to use the ade our manufacture na me manufacture ye no o ma yeni o se ye fa ye den eni ye fe ndidi nene o ma ye ni o se ye fa ye den ano ye de den ye didi ye dikika ye do na nyame ama wo be ma na wo nim no nyame ma wo no de ye den na sebi nyame ama wo be ma na wo no ba ko da na wo ba ni mu sebi ade asetemeka wo ba ne unemu no wo ba me na ye den no na we gya no ato nkyɛn na wo de wonum ebutu oba ho oba ma bi bia no oba ma ye bia no one unye criminal wo ye criminal two nyansa wo de nyansa oni bi nyansa o de say na wo ye na abuser who abuse the purpose of the mouth o de say because the mouth na no e won nyanyame yesi ye de tunum unyu mani na o de say anu na wo de tunum no eyi nyame aye no o de say na anu na udididi na udidi a ummene ekeka na sa nu ya nyame agba wo se fa yi na ye fe didi na fe keka no na wode ko butu oba ya ase a na oba na ya ase no ko butu ona okeka ho a
Debbie Onka.
Debbie, my case be I make my case be 6 years ago. Divorce case. Bemei is used to oral sex. And a masturbation. It is a ono bana dana or leki obana. Not in sa happy and masturbate. Until for the past 6 years now, obano enjoy bema no mahuda. Bema otafrena or the sa ebano masturbate. No pu at the negu. Until I know yes I so and no ba na okekaka to okekaka ba na ya kasine na yekuru and no kai say case be see wo when say wenchi anatichi ma fire officer bia or when say senior officer bia call girl fire junior officer bi girl edemu say okoko yi ni bema ene she ne num okureti then again here no get the car no eba ye go court no ko di asem no ma no ye free girl no because my argument is that the girl have not committed any offense because say anu ye dididi ye de keka udo be moto oba numa na oka e normal because who say sausage and the first no and obi wan so and obi ka obi sexually no say ne when da oto ni into no keka na we da ba untu we can say wa cause harm because when you force what ko be bia say ko abuse into nyame ma bema na fire oba anwe djuma na oba no feeling na enye natural no wo ko abuse ano no ena bema oba bi nso utam oba bema no bema de se we num no wo ye criminal ena wo ye obi a wo nso no te say wo abuse because bema nye bibia ye se ye fa she num o dia say ena unzo ba bia ota de bema num sa na bema she de num no na cancer of the throat obebi ota sock bema bia wo so no be do temu na fe na o voice no na we ena obema bia nso a wo de wanu butu no bo se na onya throat of the cancer it wo se bema bia nya cancer throat ota eleke nti ma mo hwe mi nia na abrofo nia no abrofo no de omo problem ye dey ni abrofo omo ya abuses omo abuse bibia nyame aka bia mo mpe if you live by Christ you believe enti na me pay nyanom Muslim before no the Muslims believe in purity Muslim ni be anyone
so Muslims
no they don't do it
they don't like
that be what is it haram bisa Muslim ni ba both ni ba be ni obema nkwan and na be me bibia because na nui wo watch a omo yekofu bi kra na okase wi a ohuru na no omo huru be bibio omo yekofu bi a they like neatness what I say enti no onama no papa no ordina no ya odi alarm ko babra no da kwanta Muslims are disciplined but Christ of war that is why I took on Daki Wadness I took him on but be there to him no I didn't say that is antichrist no way that Iwomils is a well respected music platform with Namin Shrao media report me say antichrist or antichrist no he can never or you're very very influential highly respected man of God and if you so you'll be I may admire no for his good word but he promoted process what the church preaching what church and no catch say oh hey no yiri dad ya yiri pe bia for no say we say the valves no say tafle say wow a man of God
if tafre
be oral sex me challenge no say on me if our Bible mu anyame asem ka say yen tafre oba ase
ne fa o bible mo na nyame asem ka se yemfa ye be ma enwure oba ase
sex
there o
nyame asem e ka se yen ni oba ma na oba da nyame asem Isaiah ka Isaiah o say ma yen tafre ma nufu unso o say nufu de yen tafre bebo a nyame asem say o yiri nufu nti nyame asem pese o tafre ase na o say o tafre nufu wi a na do na bo ase mu ma nyame say because nufu no ya bo ma be ma ene ma kwala o dey say ba say de nyame si omu nyame fi oba na nye o dey say nyame fi ase e ba na nye the same way to be to be tafro ba ase bia
but scientists which say the vagina is cleaner than
abuse
say cleaner than the mouth
abuse she obi bia na to be tafro be ma oba ase bia o ye gay o beto ye homosexual and gay because if a gay anyway we say abuser what about sucking and also and as I speak a lot of people omo ye obi abemu no ye na wo dey no just cancel up to for me o dey say Bible say e wadi nia nkwana nya ndele fata ye o dey say the fact say nyame abo bibia ne nche say ye koyo into the media make say efficiency or see whatever we do yenye nese na be ya asembi ara mi kan no adi bi ara mi ye into so fu mo na o yiri uko preach na o yiri uduti no hini ni akɔhye wo yira ase akɔtwetwetwe ne mewie aba be gya sɔre dem u preach no anwosre bia akɔ was Jesus Christo who hate you
say wo akure ya say oba o say be ma o de na no problem be ma obejeje ho nso so ye no nso onye papa
me say me yedede be ma yedede be ma no oba na nti enyedede dije ho ba dije ho na onipa no girl no sit ebia nene kasa oh baby I like it I like the way it is it's sweet ene nyedede ba nya be ma obe say hey me there ya me to me ya o prame na o tete mu na obi ya tewa o ye be ma kotokubuku o ye be ma in fact e say yi be ma no krafi wo so because what be ma no to be show wo so me say me nsu be ma kro nsu kra traditionally no a show sign of weakness how much more have sex na usu ite you be me bia usu bia mo obe be bia obe bia oni be me bia da obe ba nusu ka che ne se lo ampa se enfataw ngwase e bo se se otumi hye wakono so e chere se wo your ba we weak because bema otumi hye wakono so bema o control in bed ma ba ne jije ho na wo de control ne bon komo bema de bon komo so that
okay so ba de ye esu ana so ye we
e normal man is so busu bed Emma on say man ekofu bia ukọ aso dem kura na they are so emotional into what here oba ki Holy Spirit man na mutato form go so mo bibia tumi omo o dey say and yen so dey form and to oba me bia oda ho a oba da e tra so sex abuse tio debi oh ebiom
oba tra so a eno so abuse enso tiamra
yes the man church mu nyame bo obema ne oba no naturally no oboman se man na ho na obema emfa no nti dey kase mafa obema o dey say memma na fa ma nti who say sex we say sex is the penetration of the woman's vagina ye dey penetrate
and say penetration there
tio nti nyame ye ne say naturally
which enters which one
tio nyame ye ne say naturally
whether from top or from down is a penetration
nyame ye ne say naturally no memma o do ba be da anka onda ho medically ujina wona ta ye sex a utunya strokes because pressure na fi undire ba na ma wo enti no nyame say anka yan koto because ya himfie homo nyonyam sheketse wo ho osom oba no enti okoto a na wakoho na o kwa say ala braba no na we sana na obama enti o hwe obama wo abuse sex na obama yo ni awni bema o da ho na oba no mo abetra so Unim say oba tra oso a otubu mo be ma no.
Otubu no.
Ebunu.
Oh ha.
Obenya 2 cases like that. Oba be what tra oso a oba twist it 36 degree. Who be that?
Na ebu be.
Yes, only say me man ya dey to be.
Oh,
yes.
How?
Medically bisa kolebu. I surgery on that. Because oba be wa oba no be tra so no. Oba tia no maybe this by you. Or te so a oba ye rough no dan no. Enti no hwe ya na de na ya. Enti ya me say oba na ho na wure mu na nya control. Enti oba ma niafo bia enti be ma no mo yefu yeso no o mo aniafo o yefu so enti no da o de kege e na oba da so. Ya mbo say oba be bro o se na me boy no o se mema mre enti mpemu kura no mema na se bre enti yo be ma bia na da ho na de we ni how you chop money you so be ma oba na be da so no you are not fulfilling the will of God.
Ye din komo bia bi na o say asem we pa they can salute lawyer okay I say Kofi you should have added literate okay but Vora definitely he sure so ne be again was this man is funny pass patapa Van Gordon and we say obey boring one pampa or sha pam obey quadro for papa like obey boring obey na said the oba ne na honko a
debi nyame ma yenia to be mobile oba ne je the first say you don't lick no insert to me adwuma.
Oh, na say no see on
natural. Debi any natural. One say what ensa. Debi ensa nyame bon say for touch. It's a ensa touch. The hands are made to touch, so you can touch anywhere.
What you are saying is it legal?
It's legal. I'm talking about natural. Say in law, natural carnal knowledge, which is everything that is not unnatural. No, any be a sanction by God. Me say the hands are made to touch. Into that ensa to me so fumu. Ensa touch it vagina, but the mouth is not meant.
Into insanity me room.
Yes, ensa a touch it.
No.
A room with home.
Okay, and
you're natural because ensa no. Who say who do ensa shower? It's not sex. It's foreplay. Who say sex here? Sex is defined in law. It's only when the man penis penetrates the woman. Into the only obey shed who could shed them. Now you be bia na one fa obema show say one fa me also we say dem na rumors enti watch we do obako demu upa for obako demu na leke no 1 hour o dey say na kiss no na mu hwe a o to say wo na say wan nya me hwe you just licked me, you assaulted me sexually as assault because enti na obi was say wo dey mama from brush you upa for ban demu na fa obema no fa brush you kaka na kitwa say also sebi medino it oba bia be ma fa na it is in law kokota na say prove say obi no bia da and it's only when you prove that the penis penetrated the vagina it was say the least degree of penetration is sex it na oba ni ban to have sex
but see wo akro ya o say ano no nyame boy say yemfa nidi
yes nyemfa kika yemfa tudum
na se nsa no so nyame boy say yemfa nidi
debi ensa enye didi pe ye di nsa ye adwuma ye di nsa fili ade
e timi de ya no nso ye tu nsa no
eno be say eno no o di tu nsa no a e ya abuse because yan small self to na bua o di say nyame amma we ade di bie o di enti na o di tu na bua na moja pa wa na wa abuse wano no yanya ne say ye fetutu nyama do enti most of the ya ho kire ina nga na we should share you ya na so otu tise normal and normal everything natural one is less expensive everything natural bia no eye godly everything natural be they want natural decide they be natural doctors conventional doctors be normal ukusuyesu ya doctor namu de chemicals e be wo but natural doctors you there's no side effect of anything natural. People think that I'm joking, but and they consider me, make a law.
But breaking, no, or Henry David say it can break when a woman
good
sit on you.
Good.
but pa inkum sase lie.
Well, told online lie was one of the victims. Women who abuse sex. No, we don't want to there. One shot I need to come heaven. Yes, because who abuse
no, licking will not let you go to heaven.
All those who lick will not go to heaven. If you lick, but I'm telling you, you will be denied heaven because who know what abuse nyame say you know. Nyame hwa ukọ Roman or say because of money yenti nyame jam ma mo ye nyame bi. That is why nyame jam ma money ma these are some of the things. When you don't want to glorify Christ, me see Jesus Christ ba no be to say we lick here. Then obeka chem. Because hwa ukai say Joshua ebra edu tembi a opese ye ko na oni enkofobi ekokono. Oko river no nyame kese no say okọ a fa 300 we na boko a nia ode ni nsa be se nso no no be no omo no mo nyasafo but the ode na no be butu nso no no good enti be bi a ode wa no butu nso po nyame se onya nyasani na much what we no butu we no oba ase oni nyama oba sesa oba ase me say medical no it have been proven that you can have cancer through licking. And those who are challenging me, no, it's because Opa, Mami, who say only can make a report to our police station. Yes, when we are Bema, one liquor, we can sue you for they say abuse, sexual abuse. It's part of the law. Human rights issue. Look, when you abuse nature, you can be taken on. So any man of God be our shame, be our no, then you may on your mini pa. One liquor baby dana, who need deep deliverance. Mon catch a reverend born in California, so I'm starting preaching that message. No, who need deliverance because who you be a who you achieve Anna, on say, Yamin so ya, only be biara. Enya, essay the biara ede. Oh, into what ya, any baby ye de, situate ye de, and be biara so than the pedrin pe. I did you. Maya hode enti no o ye o likia ya wa say o likia na ya wode enti o ba likia be do tembi no na sex complex obeye your memory be one likia your wode or have sex and your maybe wa o be soccer be ma thing enti your soccer be ma na be ma release ya say be who soccer be ma na be ma release space to group one obanyim good enti anye de enti anya me ma ye
almost say protein
enti protein Obi aka just say put in on board abuse. It's an abuse.
What's it? Legend sweet papa. Nana ya was 82. Oh, a man
Oba. A man de onim. Nana ya, a man in ya. Omo mema say mema ye likim say ye Jimmy. What do you mean here? What do you mean? Emma, yeah, only your bar, or say, we you put to Bunko Jimmy, but what do you mean here? One more baby or didn't say, I shall say at a feather. Oh, baby, Nagasat, oh, now the decision I say, what after on the da. Madame will be no about beda, or the share or banasina a bonga. No, no, no. Mr. Mansa was in one. Miss or baby, I do tell me was born. And you know, abandon when you're infection, one can't know. Or baby, when you're infection, you're leaking, or when you're infection. Or baby, I don't want to bath. Do it. Yes, some guys are like that. Or baby, we're only leaking here, only have sex. And you can imagine getting your infection. But, you know, also, majority that. Majority that. Into what do you want to boom? Now, to infections, egu. And a man, Mr. Monkacha Ghana for Massa, man, in a wooden monster, and then you may obey me on the Kodano. The Cacas or bar, for Shasha was sitting here, not tough in the same bam, 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 almost yet. Into would you abandon for the Obana didn't the piano? All for the sunshine I sent after. Now, would you, what do you want? No, a boom. What did Tinema? Afaka,
yeah, say, Menkancho say, none of the any public heaven, the hell, they are or what that.
On the oh, sir, on no say, who say. Bible, okay, Timothy, chapter 3. Or say, many query, a mere beba, Nanipa, Ebepe bone nipa beye bone for people will love evil. Until no any no. So no go we adem na nsi. Say bisobia offer oba to say nye da na ye de.
Hey.
Oh, na ka ye de komo ye. Me no so for be offer oba to say omo chen ase on. And everybody who is into gay boy no kasa no because ne de. But we say enye ne ye wo de. Nyameka when you live for Christ, Ephesians or say the purpose of everything is to satisfy Christ. Into the nya wope or say nyame penye ho. Into whereby a wofu say ono say no o say no wempo amobo me kan nipa kansa crap leak go onye bi crap ba ko onye bi crap onye na oguso leak sa no that's what so truth na no about say nyame hu ne mobo ye cut the achemo onipa.
So the mechanic no inya na chenti no issue no dey eba etim bia na ebisa but ene se na do ba obe fire kakra
yeah na do ba na
na say na ban you can't tag them corrupt.
Yeah, I think na do ba no na miyem shishima no because that the mood of lawyers at the conference no was it's like people were asking, what is it come to talk about? Corruption. Because that atmosphere in Iran is like, the nation, you are assuming corruption. Corruption fight, people were like, them build another kind, all kind. What I say. But today, no, areas of the feedback, and I'm convincing everybody, and we say, corruption. You see, the nation, no, and your corruption, they do. You see, people are confusing. And corruption and yet to an issue than different. Oja, this year no chrono. About the football chrono, and fraud. That is what is eating us. Chrono, the fraud. It is obi ya tombi 1 cedi. Na okotolu 2 cedis, not for 1 cedi. A thief, a stealing. And the corruption. Corruption is just influencing a bia. Never say bia. Idea ya wodia na a bia. Sebede mau. But because we offer say minimum into influencing me. Or I say if be influencing for private gain, the gain is not only about money. The issue of this nation is not about corruption. Yeah, you see, you're abusing the word corruption. To the say we are crying for say corruption. Obi boy point for say corruption. What is killing Ghana is stealing public money and then committing fraud. Don't watch it. All our politicians are engaging in stealing, thievery, and fraud. But the issue of corruption, no, to me, no, I look at this angle. Okay,
to say this issue of journalists here, Australia, yeah, it could be yes, our journalists, I assign war mobile, yes, home investigation. And no,
any corruption.
Any day.
And no, say you don't call.
But nana double corruption allegations. I am
because you are widening corruption. But who should say what no corrupt money exchanges? Go for the trade.
Okay, so the people are not corrupt, but they are thieves.
Thieves, stealing. Something that don't belong. That bibi anya wodia. Ojia na offer. Ni ebisa na offer mba ye stealing. Oh, that's it's corruption. Something anything that Matamidu catch us say is limited per section 19 of because corruption is so limited. Oh, that's it is obi boko noa. Matamidu say me to me because one limiting me to corruption related offenses. That is where the difficulty is. It will say there's more thievery, stealing, there's more fraud, there's more wagadri, procurement fraud. What I say? Then procurement corruption, procurement fraud. Say bia adia 2 cities. Na eso control 2 cities no. What control 4 cities. What balance 2 cities no. When you are a basic 2 cities. And you know when it comes to corruption no. Esse yeah make sure say yeah politicizing corruption. There's too much politicization of corruption. And you're losing the fight because what has happened is that both NDC and MPP, they ride on corruption to come to power. And whether the thing is corruption or no, corruption, na yensu timafono, na atoye timu na ebuefu. And perception of corruption, every opposition, or say corruption na adi bia kapa na Ghana. This kind to where we are trying to ya corruption, ya bo corruption na ebuefu. And obi ye wa abemu corrupt. Or there's a perception na you know say ya corruption, because corruption doesn't have a particular. And the problem is that say corruption say any be say the propaganda. And then for the propaganda to say you are more corrupt than me. I say me corrupt too. But what they there? So you see the hypocrisy of NDC today. NDC people say, oh, yeah, they corrupt, but corruption is corruption. So it means that when you were in power, you were corrupt. But Obia Yechen went here, yes, it's no. Never would the Bible. I say, Chrono, yeah, Kofu, but who you are not. And you know, young family because me buy, me have a brie, if I would be at 10 cities, I may buy 12 to 2 cities. And you know, young to know, different woman say, me who you are chairman. And you know, you vote, you, maybe we are, but me. You see, so it means that we are losing the fight against corruption because they are politicizing us. We say every government, you know, ATM say is fighting. No opposition say fighting BR. And we try to make sure say we politicize corruption. And number two, what do we do with corruption? What did I say? Yeah. We have this perception say because corruption, you know, government in power. Let's make the government looks like they are full of corrupt people, and let the opposition be like angels. Into NDC full angels. What do I say? Say you keep Tiamujo Mama Muniano, or previous 2016 before 2016. Yaka so munya corrupt and no more angels. Oh, it's too much. It's killing us. Oh, what's the one power? Okay. Now, let's come to why are we corrupt? Why? Because Timafono, we are all hypocrites. We are all pretending to be doing the right thing, but we are doing the wrong things. Until what is happening is that the issue of corruption because Yakasa are corrupt. PBBA, we don't trust the system. Oh, open passport. Okay, I say a passport be delay until we pay 2 days. Now me 2 days. I say, or say obisika, obenya. Until wo why mind they corrupt because system na as ano ya say system no endi muawo into wo kono wo the corruption say o mind say me kwa influence pin no na san company na dey talk say obi a passport 1 week abi dey go just 1 day. I can tell you litigants o mo court bebre court me clients bebre ba lawyer but they say judge no say one money sika ondi ma one lawyer Charlie case we pa no say e din kumu tinye ko mu judge no waka also the video so no say people be judge no o dey say on ko court o say people be register and the people go police drivers drive here no much sequence and no corrupt and no do you know no say sika go the came say when dem kwa me dey ma police for and you see the corrupt mind the police no did no on beside no that means actually some that. So we the people, we make politicians corrupt because we think say the only way we can influence politicians is to either take from them and election say back cocoa season delegates as J into candidate near 5 you need never no say you're corrupt na ka me say beto ma wa and for that by no me no musica say listen to me wo be chama de me da wase mato ma but move for no men 20 men I don't want to be corrupt but because we are corrupt you know I know who I'll vote but me 6 no mato ma back is corruption now your politics are very expensive to the sense say when the politicians come if you don't do this kind of work look at today no cop all the banking the policies at the car into no ba omomotobuka and now uko timafo akọ policies wa na ebisika uko DC wa esika uko MP wa esika uko and uko DC na MP sphere at a hospital at a consulting room o de ase obi okọ bia no ekobise DC ni sika me mama that no of friend was Morris I'm so obe jai telling it radio station ba I'm so mama there say to me ma sorry Pentecost am kono edu of say say lawyer mama wa ha ne ba lawyer pa de sika because of tell so ne mama everyone chairman I also this guy
Tines obatwe free.
Yes, about say it because the perception is that umame buy a lawyer. Until you see the pressure. Buy a lawyer until mame people expect say me lawyer is all talk amane mame. Ni mame that regime. O dey say lawyer ni yire only live certain lifestyle. Lawyer ni ndi dokno. Lawyer ni so to vacation. Until who say expectation that to lawyer ni trim $100. What do I say? No, you could down tell her $200. No, so I cry. No, you court. It no more the pressure between so. And I have to be corrupt. Make Jake Bukata. My clients are there here 2 cities. Me say 10 cities. And then you corruption is stealing. Yeah, if I did 2 cities, now I'm going to say 20 cities. I'm not corrupt too. I'm a thief. It is the red law of the matter that yanti my phone. They are more politicians. I am highly corrupt, and they are worse. And then obi shower ukromu kwa on ka say o prank coffee then met me aboa wo wodwuma metumi aye ebia reporter am be support o and coffee e say edwuma mi pese boa me na kire me edwuma no na mi nso mitumi be yetse wo coffee waba then on the bar oh when you see car crash everybody is taking from you. How do you survive? And then your man appointment your chiefs or former girlfriends there and who fear one of no congratulations and yamba and yellow pay. And the boy is up to mama on oh they are here and every a year could be they expect to give you so yeah might my fire crop.
Sorry cry.
Yes. Oh they are say and another okay be or say one. I see one.
No, but before you jump to Nanado, you know, a brochure for non so press out.
Yeah.
Of your brochure bar, may share will be a challenge. I own my near ban a problem. Oh, ban away per laptop, way per phone, way per way. Almost so much. Yeah.
Okay, Jumading. Oh, I say, go now, look at those days, no, bugger for no. I'm called your map for casa. Oh, the alcohol brochure, no, call your fraud, and only can't tell the bull. But living normal life, disciplined life, it take time. It is obi koba no okoya corrupt and okoya no ba no better base mo a na obi a no di adwuma na pressure better no so. And is say and social media obi a portray say waye yie and na asori only asori e the pressure to the person say unko asori. Only say na asori no asofo no stop preaching Christ. The reason is Christ. A sorry message no is Christ. Nyame Yesu is the reason why God the Father, God the Son, the Holy Spirit. Now the message is so Yesu who are didn't niya. They say adane so who car who are didn't niya. She who rage. She who sika. And you know the message is sika. You must prosper at all costs. It ye Yesu Christo aton chen. And you tell so dem no say prosperity be bin kan we a na ma BP. Oh, until now, I say, Yamiti wedding. And then I made Baba Sum Yame. Yame say, Sum no be di. Ma Sum na Miti Yamia Sum no Tim wedding. Yam coupon etima wedding. That's because Pastor Snake and say, I saw di. And you know, I saw them no, or we sorry no say, praise the Lord. Yame adum bin adum me, and then me tuma ye juma atoka. 200 car they be buy. I say, hey, Yame, me call me know. Who watch here? Even in the church is making us more corrupt. Yes, because pastors are preaching here and say so die. And now, abesaye nyano expecting omo a. And na Pentecost. And they say nyano mo sika. Oh they say, and Pentecost, who your elder, who was sika, we able people too. It's difficult so because when be nesika ni no, oh you don't remember. The moment una we bankroll no, they give you a special place. And to both say, so ticket, what I saw them now for 10 years. Who they all say, yes, you could so buy. As I say, look, who are you feeling? Oh, there's you know we have made even we have corrupted the word and in the nyasam. And you know we are pushing people to be corrupt. What him say? Uye loyeni na udi asem na de kwade di asem. Na ntino be e be take you about it be 10 years, 15 years until what we are taught to takola. Somebody will see you as a failure, a lawyer, and they can to me talk to record. But if a lawyer didn't quarrel, we'll try the taxes or charging more within the legal way, no, to know on your first petitioner. Yeah, more basu. But that small lawyer now, I'll buy now within 1-2 years, no. Watching clients, sir, with the clients car, and I could talk car. And then, as of me know, about a program, oh yeah, church program for 1 week. First, pastor not buy no. Na or that range mu Monday. You buy range Tuesday until 2 days no Monday to Tuesday no that range mu. Wednesday to Thursday ne buy no that kula mu. Na not the perform. Last day that tiko mu. Any the message be only obe preach here. Ebeko. What's so there be akwe. The anointing depends upon the car. No way into the buffer money and moving. Like a buffer, Nyamimuno, or before I should be madam for Nyamimuno, or to be more. But also a part, a different way. I saw the brain because of his exhibiting wealth. Yes, people say, or exhibiting wealth. It must say, or a senior prophet. Are you getting me? Okay. And now, before the people equate himself or a senior. We one day they are prophets of the 2 year. But on the sika, I showcase say, look, he's fucking loaded. And another people are valuable for to the another prophet. Maybe a honor is BT. Because they can't say on the so, but they be a businessman apart from prophet no. And now they are but all showcasing is sick no. Prophet I don't know only businessman, but also for Christ. Na all yet the normal prophetic work no na on twin tonya mo before to no ni prophecy no you ever deal with limitation. So we have become a nation now. Unless you are corrupt, you will not be respected. And then those who are corrupt are the ones we honor. You deal with former young ministers. You awards in your movie be. Oh, they say until the banking crisis by you know some gofuna almost collapse the banks so that you need some be tough. Na pia mensa mu go no oni na ndama obia because said na pia mensa ye bisa ne say obisika so despite my kola obisa ne say oni despite so despite my kola o dey say and now banking crisis no those people we thought they were so making money big no look at expose them it shows say we is for 10 na uyi corruption fi mobile bomu chrono fi mobile bomu now you we na omutu bi sika for Ghana was sika for be brave uyi 10 about 3 and a 1 kata share any mobile bomu 2 engage in tax evasion tax fraud 3 engage in stealing 4 engage in fraud 5 engage in corrupt practice meaning the job no you know is not linked to a political party and then I can speak right now. President Mahama and Nado, most of the businessmen are preparing for money. Because the election is beba. Into one say, I say you can pay people man. The people President Mahama, in case say a too far. And when you do this, now if who did Jessica, who can them say who's the genuine? And genuine. Who's the is because politically no, you are being favored. And then it could be MPP more. Say MPP never power. They don't have what they have. So those people know how did they make those money? Corrupt practices, stealing, thieving. Ushe PPA, Ushe National Youth Agency. And so sir, CEO. Can you imagine? Say Anchino in this situation now. Meaning I will say within a short term, better range. No, until ni now for the book school, nobody say, hey, this man is successful. But who said no, yeah? He was engaging procurement fraud. Oh, but we will applaud him. But who say all the media houses, any event organizers comparing meanings are boy no. Say be honor be honor no. Because obey exhibit success, young boy, CEO. He has acquired this, and look at the people. Shabanki crisis. And the fraud across we look at the words of Munya. Saban say Munya no come archives no koche. Omo awards the most successful bank. All those were fake. Fake. Then how omo say award mu genuinely look at let me pay. But rather we are honoring thieves, fraudulent people, wagadi people, corrupt people are the ones we are wronging.
Also, yes. Corruption now costs through because we honor corrupt.
Yes. Now some many engage in corruption. Now me di nyame ho. Now me di now honor me. I'll do more. It means that society endorse what I'm doing. If society endorse corruption and they honor me, me your comfort. Me engage in fraud. Me nisika. Na society ajima tuma. Then I'll do more fraud. Abrochi, they punish the corrupt people. They make it less attractive. Until the Abafolo believe in good name and legacy. Until watch Abafolo only say, hey, I'm with the only now engaging corruption. Yes, the people they can do. But that's the end of a political career. But here, what do we do? We clear corrupt people, career agents, and then another can say no. Nanado has never cleared anybody. Only one more clear. State agencies now, and so fight corruption. And number one career agent here, Shraj. Shraj is one of the career agents. Meanwhile, Shraj also under the constitution, only so fight corruption. He was purposely made to fight human rights abuses and fight corruption. But Shraj as an institution, from 1992 up to now, Shraj record of corruption fight. Only no matter no. Omo rely on technicalities. Unfair complaint in buyer. You ain't to be anamo. Number two, you need staff. You need sika. We are under resource. Number three, bring the evidence. Into what here? Carry agent. John Mahama Ford expedition. Cleared. JJ Abacha 5 billion. Cleared. Look at Kufo Wawa Hotel. Cleared. Anani. Cleared. I can name them. And if you want to know the clearing agents, it's Shraj. There is no corrupt allegation at Shraj of all the and I have been victim. Me need Dambochi. Whoever is a relative. And the coach Shraj. You could do upon animal say it's dead on arrival. But also could do what? They look at you and say, where's your evidence? And at this scene, we don't have the staff strength is low. And you know, our president is right. The president business is not to look into corruption matters. No. He has a constitutional mandate to chair and steer the nation into the creating institutions to fight corruption. So if another day people who are corrupt are referred to CID for second career agent CID. Or they say to you Sharjah, the number 2 career agent CID, Nantechi cleared in the biome. Or they say guarantee fraud cleared. And CID so far a clearing agent. Yoko de omo Yoko de engaging blackmailing. Omakasa current Shraj boss. I say about 15-16 Shraj officers are being investigated for blackmailing people when investigating like investigating what na blackmailing no disca. And then baby in charge omo to me freeze assets pay lawyers are you better kwambone so freeze assets no yoko no pay lawyers are omo partners in crime, so those lawyers will come and make an application for defreezing. No matter the percentage. That's why when you go to Yoko, there are particular lawyers who always do Yoko defreezing. And there were thousands of lawyers in the country. And there's 2 or 3, 4 lawyers in Bia. When they Bia, Yoko cases in Bia involving defreezing. Ayomwa. Uba Bay we muso on the lawyers. Cases are juicy. Contrary juicy is their mom. You see? That is where the corruption starts from. Because if you have thousands of lawyers and you want to be fair with all lawyers, every lawyer is based on his strength. So why particular lawyers in every regime? Mama wa hosono lawyers so ye no so ni mu to liter. Onye sika ma na yiri ikrebu fuye. Because case bia na president Amano. There was there was some but some other lawyers were suffering. They were NDC lawyers. The same with the Nado government. There are particular lawyers in Bia. Omo ye here, poto. Oh, they say, omo ye here because the present administration favors them. They are more contract, they are more appointment. Cases Bia you see they are more. So when you do that, it's corruption. Because there are thousands of lawyers in their strength. So why that randomly? You don't pick them and make sure that every lawyer get a little bit. Me not just say that one lawyer, one lawyer, 10 cases be a corner. I don't know, umano, 3 be now for 7 or so, expedite. No, all so when you do these things, sir, then I can say that we are all pretending. Say we are fighting corruption, but nobody is serious. Yeah, pretenders. And you know, the fight against corruption will keep on hunting us so far as we keep on politicizing corruption. We don't put structures and systems in place. The people, like I say, their mindsets, any attitude, should say we are even more corrupt. And then the body of Christ, the Christianity, and you promote corruption in our churches, and you promote you awarding the nation is honoring corrupt people and people who engage in fraud. No, it will continue. It will continue. Yes, And then I think President also can be about
banks, no?
Banks, no?
Yeah.
Also can say. They are banks for the investigating, yeah. But on my hope say what should be no who say at the end of the day it be prosecute be. It's my prayer. President Nado said there's special out there say your be where they are board members and directors of the banks we know. Some of them are so close to you. Yeah. Some of them are friends of this government. Some of them are so close to the judiciary. Some of them are very influential in the government. Now let's see whether they will have the guts.
What do you think this government can prosecute Obi to say Otabel?
If they can prosecute Otabel, I can tell you before the fight against conversion have succeeded. I'm telling you. Because I have documented for the same commercial quota filed by Joe Debra. I issue Mensa Otabel and about 13 people. And if you look at the allegation of fraud level against him, say he guaranteed 130 million Ghana cedis to Ato. Say, Brab, ye bail out. No. Ye bail, a bank of Ghana discount bar, say capital bank say omunje. Then at the board meeting, Ato still requested 130 million Ghana cedis. Say or the Kodaneno. The board rejected. So the man, what type of cancel one for man? Or guarantee. After that, the money have paid. And these are allegations. Joe Debra rates was filed first law. So these are civil allegations. Normally they on the balance of probability. But then if these are the things that happen, then criminally, I'll be happy to see Mensa Otabel and others. Kobla do 4 money in the banner. The banner they so they can cry away. Do 4-2. On the chilling in the opportunity to be what they say. Some hopefully anyway, when they say base capital guy no. Omuniana twins Muniano. These are the people I'm expecting. So I don't idea no, and some go Gina court on criminal trial. Court with Jama, fine. But I can tell the president of Republic of Ghana, if you don't prosecute them, NDC get opportunity, you pursue them because crime has no expiry date. It is better as Otabel no come from because try by force. Meaning Otabel, go there try because yes, you should go.
It's better for him.
He cannot. You cannot clear criminal offense. Criminal offense is not clearable. What did I say? It can be suspended. I can't remember. You can't answer my case. When I answer my issues, I told the general at that time, Matter Brew, and the mama money na te chibu ya baako. And then they said they will not prosecute Asamoah Gyan. But the case went to court and they lost. But we trapped Asamoah Gyan and Asamoah Gyan finally a criminal case against Alakobna. So our year extortion. Then we laid down the evidence there. And as currently, say yes, Asamoah Gyan favor one another ni because at the time obi ni dino wager another double coin. Okay, I say and your mama man call. Okay, I say if I don't call your allegations, people say. So it's so close. I just say Asamoah Gyan by this time he should be prosecuted for defilement, then the sodomy. And any government that believes in truth, bah, be to investigate because the criminal case in the expiring date. The bank fraudsters, your government of the day can pretend to clear you, but you will not be cleared until you face criminal trial, and then you are acquitted and discharged because it's too painful. Say you told me now people we knew were nobody, people we knew not hard work, and all of a sudden they started making money here and there. These small boys, Mukoji Award, CEO under 40. What I say, Mike Anku, Mike, who 40 years, 40 years. Now, properties are quite started say, and I dry and now so about some of them, open social media, then they are talking about how to succeed. What I say, when they do entrepreneurial programs, they will not go and call some of us. Rather, Mike Anku hold on for Lampa. What has Lampa got to show? So we went in for alleged thieves. People who success was based on the fact that they were allegedly engaged in all kinds of fraudulent. These are the people we were taking motivational messages from. And that is the curse on the nation because when the right and true people who are doing genuine things and honest like you, media, the fight against corruption, suddenly social media no tone, media funo, eradi. Omu no mo ye worse because the media is not in the position to steal and to engage in fraud. So no did it here. Blackmailing. The media houses be wa. Obomu sa na politicians na friend no. Ni atamama no. Na we di. O to no championing the cause. So na kene point here no. O that's when you say na mo se be ko attack us. Ma attack them yes. O just say na me dey yiri ma into what how can journalists thinking that we are saving people no every government baby be another journalist for the appointment. What happened? They are so close. And then there are some media houses be where they take money, they don't review. So unlike your platforms where what is always gonna be flow. Some journalists will never let me flow. Upa kofa jumla assembly. That there are some journalists who tears when they say, hey, Rapa, me go interview Rapa because of that kind of as it is. Because I show my fumuma. And journalists follow the brain and kofobia, almost pretending as if they are exposing corruption. But under no, they are dining with the politicians. Look, there are politicians, there are journalists who are on the payroll of politicians. They go there. There are journalists who are on the payroll of pastors. Pastors see deep on it, you know, or people say, oh, media houses be we professional after Murphy, sorry, oh, can you need the name for the because oh, you be you. Oh, yeah, because most other one man of God be frame of frame me coin na you bon come cry me cry na 20 million. No there 2 envelope. Or the 2 on fashion me simu. Or the 2 me can mu. So like what me change there. O fuel. It be drive here me could do ANC mono. Me pay per 20 million. Them say yeah pay have because it means that's a man. Me go bompa make 20 million. But you see how influential gifts can do. Yeah. Until you allow small gifts. I must say, we can't speak. There are people who cannot speak today not because they don't know the right thing, but it's like almost receiving favors. What I say? Imagine say who your pastor now, President Obawa sorry. Obawa sorry no abeche will range and Toyota V8 na ɔsi pastor bɔnpa mame saa president yɛ bɔ ne ɛbɛɛ tin so bɛ gyina puppet yahifo deɛ kan yahifo mo musuman ahifo na mo ɔmo emu musuman kan corruption ni ya mo yi media mo efa so amo because mo di na mo yɛ mo di ni sɛ president ni who say all presidents who say yɛ kɔtɔ yɛ do ahifo bie ha yɛ kɔ kyɛn na ni yi yɛ ɔmo sika no yɛ kɔ inner chambers ni eyi ni ɛnlo bufu yɛ de mo pɛ ɔmo tɛ sena na ɔmo man fo no ha ɔmo refi ana endorsement yi oh obe win o de ase anti president ayefo no de mo ba na mo agi envelope I'm here to see any info say president demand in chair o man envelope onye the moment president gives you envelope abey dey say enti mo so mo kan obi enti no corruption I can mo be jana na president me person think we Ghana so be because na do president corrupt onye corrupt mo na mo corrupt was no calling a war na say mo catch mo catch no just because no ko fi o maybe mo he dey hypocrisy appointment you know is impelifu bi wa abeg wo ko appointment enti when they were those days they were vocal in another time today they are not vocal when the boy go appointment pero to kasa and we are not principled as a people president appoints you be ko year who so beka because who go can either say you be you wait for until people are not so much principled enough to say look the president appointed me but this is wrong let me go and tell the president it's wrong or I'm under resource president who can say me ejuma ejuma me ye no umma misika ye ntino me ma by the end of the year when to me resource me ma resign we don't do it matter me do akọ kakra na other problem we want so the recruiter only maybe 4 years on here because he is under resource he has been limited by the law and then the two political parties in panel until who to go to MPP form panel NDC form panel media no so who say or when they say vampire I say odi esika do it is only friend only ally it is not the crime mobile you know kudos to President Nado for today's delivery. It was so powerful and I think say we picked it out from there. The propaganda must stop. The propaganda must stop because NDC munye saints and must attack at corruption assem muka the problem home and more politicians muka because and the people who are to west are the grassroots more musika munye bindi the chief politicians ne yakobom kodua na moye free him gare bobo no money nam say the contest na mo free me wano politician no one ne yiri ne ma enya de mo nya mo siso mo de wi atom ka wie o mo ko Dubai na wo ti udam form hwa nia okotu de ni MPP time no o say no ko Nana is raining the bush of food raining Nana before raining Nana is raining with his friends and it's normal. I don't blame him because the system said your boy on odi and so no until me enye na ebe sha ase and enye mama cannot come and change it because was showcase here so he's master of that and then now the system is said that look for money buy power share it among myself until say there will be a third force. The third force is let's pray for this generation. Now those mama generation no young wipe me out. Young burning two political parties, MPP and NDC. Young burning so democracy no gunu. They are killing democracy. Make a story from it. NDC and people have killed democracy. Young money two parties, young new third force. Ome hold Ghana for 8 years. No appointee for him NDC MPP. Ni ehwe be Ghana be good because ya bremo. Enye se be do tem no mu nimbi. Ballot box be see you say. Na man for to dam. We should be adwene ho. Because we have lost confidence in you. Ye hu no kan kware. We say una odi chair me. Na we so na ya adi chair me. Utaki MPP. No se mumbre so. Utaki NDC a. O say ya chair mo. Ya kwa ne ye ba le say. Kofi, ya me shira wo. Because wo there o platform no mile. Who say me flow papa ma me nyaje. Because who no who ni ha No ni ha. We are the uncle.
I'm really enjoying the frankness, Enyumre. Was it Ghana? Was it that means from down to top, everybody is stealing and corruption, the nation there. Ohini David, serious. Vida Kofi say, oh, Lawyer Morris, you couldn't defend Abropa. Oh, Obiya Santi was look for money, buy power, and share it among your friends. I like that. Obiya Santi is in any power. Because God will judge all of us one by one. Ohini David, true. Was it we have lost confidence in both NDC and MPP. Janet Asante Bandu. Was it Amagana boy? Nana Kwaku dia. Nana Kwaku edu baby ayana hardwin. Abambu ne de. And so see me abamu for now because edu baby o check ya and he has been very frank. Issues no the way tie na na odi agu ho no. Was it ask him how far with Men's Gold? Kwame Martin. Men's Gold. Usika no. Na o can what's on fanko?
No way.
There be can o gin o eba ne say na can ba o.
A true contractual arrangement between me and Men's Gold management. And I'm Mr. Khan, my documents were home. As I speak, the matter is in court. Was my dragging Yoko. Any Men's Gold in court. Nobody John shall to me car also. Until they pay my money, they can't receive the car.
Like I'm the car now, so fire my mom.
Debbie. Me call what we often know Lien, or maybe Lien, Lien. Okay. It's a contractual arrangement where say who owe me, you can give your property to me. Say me fancy you, me discount the bar, the amount. That is the arrangement I went with. Men's Gold. Oh, so it has document and everything. Okay. And then me throw the my Yoko, so they got to know about it. That's why Matana I stay. Oh, but I don't think that if I need them, I can't sell the car because any medium. Okay. And then I can't abuse it. Instead of all that I need is my money. But I blame Men's Gold customers because I don't buy if they have told the lie of Loyampa and hold government responsible. Say, look, we were doing business with this man, whether it's legal or illegal. The man was paying us. Now he see council could do with him. Uber catch him so mundano. One fancy shan to secure our money. And now woman no jaya keke. Until you see a cooking. Who tell one of the say you greedy. So I was expecting Men's Gold customers to say, why don't we see the common enemy? So let us assume say the pano pono your confo no or me do business no utriame. Na wo so your confo a die sika man ya. Wo de obetie mo confo. Wo wie so am say munji mi yanka mo de confo no be eduma. Me musika na che and for me ho. Enti some of us put pressure on government as government dey be mo. But the government position was like we don't have anything to do with Men's Gold. Enti who do you blame? And then now one but I did catch now one is sick. Blood clot all over. All the yare spiritually no who was in Nissan and no near. Now one in Entiapo. And is
it that serious?
Yes, so serious. Then now one or a sickler. Okay. By nature, who watching now a sickler. Also to turn nice so. Yeah. Nancy can Emma na hondega man hope. What he went through no. In fact, come we bring to me surviving because the persua oko jina in terms of money and wealth and power no. I say, you'll be one come to side you, but the crack, but physically no, cells no coin. One say, or that faco, it unto exercise and all dream, deep, and a third one no, over issues with blood, on the nine into the BP, blood pressure, diabetes, be afra. So the man is not on traditional work. Until say,
yes, you're one man.
Yes, you're one man because you need to stay alive. And government also make things complicated. Mu increase, mu no more. Mu increase charge mu bebre. 67. Ade. Money be ye pay sika. You see, charges bebre face can be yakutukum. Also, who be called criminal court. It's not about the money bill. It's about the criminal intent. Into government, what is your intention? Ujelina na one nama emede. Ujelina na one mimenye nisika. If I thought before God a man, if minya $50 million, and $100 million, you can jail me 10 years. Mepe. If me 50 million, I buy me 50, 60 million dollars. Now I'm for culture prison. 10 years, she made the mommy, made the 10 million ma, chargeable mommy yere. Now the 10 mommy ma. Now the 5 assault mommy up. Now my culture prison ho. Now me the another 5 million no. Prison name me for rice and chicken. And sounds all crap prison for me mom music. E you want me cooking. Me for club, me chile. Prison name me me bano 10 years no. Music awo. Entibinia, number one, what did you go to jailer?
Bring the money.
No, it's the money that the people want. It's the money. So government, you are wasting your time in prosecuting number one. It's waste of time and government resources. But the end result will not bring the money. But the end result is jail. And who loves jail? And then number one who are in your customer be other. They know it's jail and your there are two things that happens to number one. It will help the best customers. Because when it's there, and what 10 years, how many people can survive 10 years? I mean, 60 plus. Oh, that would make is good. Meaning, economical crime is good. But I said, you know, the people who have already died. It is my lord, President Nado, any finance minister, attorney general, more problems at Dawson, more prosecution, more criminals, bank fraudsters, bank crisis fraudsters, no, or baby allegedly no more. Nana one is the private money, people's money.
Why now one is the kind of?
Nasa Nabeska.
Anyway.
Nana one on their bike. And Nana one so charge tax. Now buy for your tax crop. That's now one year from 6 years now. For my bad money. Because his business is illegal. You cannot get illegal tax. And you move calculating tax now, more DNA, move from sort it out. And that's social security training illegal. And investment bi oye bia wo football be mo famre and the mo gi sike bia mo famra all those money must return to the customer. What's fraudulent money no you cannot benefit from your wrong. If something is illegal nothing comes out of it. They know it. And when we talk customers of best gold say brofu no montio say no montio now they don't seem to understand where you're coming
from the point to see I will make you serious because two things are involved. Right now, I said no and which of them no your money will not come back. Yeah.
And I mean she say even yesika wo you me ho abasika o it take more than 8 years say kan nia o how much more na mo sika it cannot prosecution can take 8 years o. Shall we match a move for 8 years old? A man with all the resources and the structures no could not even recover who Mexica. How much more than a buy crap show say Sika also and then the Sika and the Bisika. And then one lawyers can drag this matter for 5 years. And what you do? Ube raise on every tribunal every day be raise objection. No I call appeal. No I call Supreme Court. Near man Osamba. And I will say oh yes try to be no appeal against the conviction or appeal now appeal is supposed to take another 2-3 years now if I also appeal to Supreme Court because you can appeal from High Court appeal to Supreme Court and this thing can take about 4-5 years 6 years.
Hey,
you quiet buy it to me you pay fully be dream yeah dream and now then abune and now say and now obi who can na yama for there when go customers we Jimmy we greedy we nim say yes you say yan po ye greedy pro mo dey because to go coast no say mo greedy so mo greedy until risk there will be a obi enyamania ye hu ni mo bo o dey say ene wo ye MPP ene wa ban mu ene udp akese until no unhu how serious it is for say obi bre to the MPPs in power until the appointees are happy they have the money or they say me say membre because one say me alone it is a misika even 4 billion ayira or chinamenya cases I can survive oh but obi wa misika nia or they got 10,000 or need any professional member this car. These are the ones we are crying for. And they are the ones who fight to mum. Some no do what them know. Yes, somebody in Ghana there. Those who speak the truth for mum pay.
Say right now.
Yes. And look, you know.
you're lucky no.
They are locking no. And I buy the no court. And another one is there. What do you say? But they say no. One lay the tables before the government say, look, minia, misika body monsato suno muyi. Na fe so misika wo Dubai. Me ko jimran from meche. I buy say no until or increase charges. Every government. We are very interested to do. But we say we are very good. We say this punish the part. I don't know where we go. Oh, increase charges from 11 to 65. Can you imagine that? Charge bias, you go through. Charge 1. You be charge 2, charge 3. No, not to say 2-3 years ago. Now, this is so you transform. You transform judge bias, you judge bias. Such as it. It's abro. You can't be abro. Oh, say you trust your na formulate abro. Na say that be ya choke you. It's two things that say about my dream. And now there are some people behind the one. Oh, I say the one no here no. With the connivance either some people, and they have deliberately collapsed the thing so that the money will not come. That's that. I mean, dream. I don't know. Say and now there's a conspiracy. Deeper. And I'm calling on the spiritual leaders in the country. Who go into the spirit who behind this because and yes I am one. I'm one say
Let me nipa no ba na oba ye no kra no should have okay waba wanyane. Let's find a way get our money. We ye nya money na wie no. Money no will be can. But now you are punishing the person. And the money is not coming.
The money too is not coming. And they are not even talking about how the money will come. And then the purpose is that Niani is out to so yeah. And you know, who trust our dream one who will be at no cool. Oh, car, now penny for a po, a bon po. Miss a bomb po. Oh, but I never come on and say, who can look at Namija? Obama and Namija show. Sada Metia, maybe bamboo no so.
Is it a countryman so good?
Oh, very
right. Show.
Hey, but some media. I don't mean to make abuse. What they say, would they share the Mickey, Ben, I used to don't pay myself. What they say, they shall make your deem, it's a prophet. What they say, the most important thing is a minia, men's good customers, you have bread. And not any pound for mobile water. Now, I'm going to move Sika. Yes,
right now, Ghana don't like truth. Kwabena Prince. What's a Ghana? We are one bad David Bone and what should buy was say does lawyer support TPP Emmanuel Pepra TPP a plus he thinks Ghana we have to create discerning Ghanaians who will now say no we are tired of these two parties. If you want us to vote for you, these are the terms. You have some. So we don't just follow blindly.
My problem with A plus there, where it's coming from, only out of bitterness.
Okay.
Oh, I say he was with them.
Okay.
And then certain things did not go on. Into the where it's coming from, my some offense are not comfortable.
Okay.
Or the hair because it's like.
But you like the idea.
Oh, the idea is good, but he championing it, no, attention, no. Okay. Or because he was with the government of the day, and he kept on saying that he treated Anya. Well, the important is that Anya did not get treated well. Okay. And then there's another aspect of A plus is like they're like I want to prove MPP wrong. Okay. What I say, he always says, look, I can let you lose the election. Okay. And I see TPP is like I'm mobilizing some people who now I can let you know that they are forced to recognize. That's the problem with, and yes, I don't have a problem with that. I think most of the things that he says, no, the truth, but or the Yaudie, okay. And he look as if he's more worried about what people say on social media. Into Utakana, no Abba, and I'm end of the fights, no, and more of MPP. What NDC too? What is it? A balance, but now
anyway, balance, NDC is not in power. So,
but still,
so our money is not with NDC.
No, but they are potential, and then you didn't like them, and you vote against them. Nothing have changed. Okay. What did I say? But if your campaign is like me, person being will lose you, no one who say yeah. That's how I see it. Okay. But they just like it's a fantastic idea, and I thought say Ebianka ono betino no wacheno. What did I say? You should not lead. Okay. Tino. And then fight your battle with them. What I say, look for John credible people, have this concept with them, and then leave it to them, and then at your own corner, come and fight those who are fighting you. But they said that I say, we are strong MPP near. You see this TTV, they say like anti-government.
Okay.
And now you're NDC now, but I say because MPP vote.
Okay.
And some of us are not comfortable with that.
Okay. Okay. I say lawyer is very right. Joe Owusu, Grace AJ was say A+ is bitter and it will not take him somewhere. He can never let MPP lose. Never. Janet Asante say TPP will be worse than MPP. TPP is not a party anyway. So was say TPP is more corrupt. Nana Zinas. Was say how do you know that? Okay, Ludacris was say I am proud TPP. Ernest Ensu. Mama say what do you say thank you? Was say people make me laugh when they talk about TPP. Grace AJ. Politicians, they are all fake. Nana Kwekudia. Was see you are now pleading because you are a victim. This is where corruption falls.
Oh,
Guru and
when the corruption better, me see can't do baby on a media. Corruption better woman. Oh.
And now what fire? What fire? Pa? This man is talking sense. Now say Kwejo Boache. I like your frankness. I like your frankness and keep it up.
And Kofi TV, the best TV.
Yeah.
What you say? Hey, you know, almost sponsorship from them grass. Need to do fire baby.
All right, let me clarify this. I did a video about Ethiopian Airline, and I had a problem with their washroom. Everything I saw on the flight was very nice for me. After the video, I had a call from Ethiopian Airlines. Say, they had to call whoever was in charge, and so they had to ground Ethiopian Airline flight and they did inspection, after which it is back on its feet. Now everything has been fixed. This is feedback that I'm giving you. And so I was proud when they said they liked the review because it wasn't one-sided. It was very objective. And so it's been fixed. Recently, US Cry used Ethiopian Airline. And now they are proud sponsors on Kofi TV.
Wow.
And that is one good thing.
Thank you.
You're fire now, and yes, we just want to kill somebody's business. No, we want the right thing
to be done.
It's an African airline, and we should be proud of it.
Good.
And you know, one good news, and I said now Ethiopian Airline, more flights. You know, I will be giving you update on that. They are giving free Wi-Fi. Flights, no more. You can be doing Facebook Live in the flight.
Wow.
You can be doing WhatsApping. You can be doing while you fly throughout. I know say other big flights in here, but Ethiopian Airline is introducing that. And you know, cause join them, get me feedback, and then they work on it. Let's help make it better. Mo me twen mo ye ifo no. Mo flight na yetenemu ana ada no. Otenemu a you have to sleep. Kenya. There is nothing, no TV, no source of entertainment. For about 5 hours, before you get to Kenya, you have to sleep.
You are forced to sleep.
You are forced to sleep.
It's an abuse of your rights.
And to Kenya, Mato say, you more share 1, 2, and 2. Till I get that feedback and know, say truly, more working on this. And we will tell people not to join at their own because you buy and you know work on it for us. You've changed the dirty flights, and given us a better flight that befits us. We will join and let people know say it has changed. My next flight KLM. Watch out. Babe will review the flight that when you join Papa Ehu. You can't take us for granted like that. I'll be reviewing that flight, be showing you the archaic nature of that flight, their washroom, their everything. And I'm saying, strangely, me do airport, now me quite confirm, say no more coffee flight ready, problem be anymore. Me, when I join, I just join. What I see, I'll talk about it. And you know, say, yeah, definitely. Okay, I say I did a review. I showed you flighter. the same Kenya for now, almost flight from Kenya to Dubai, excellent. But by a hana, na my toy flight, the Chemwa, the domestic way from Chicago to New Jersey, no. So flight, T-bread, now short distance. I'm they are brave for long hours. And until much sign, best and a domestic flight, so watch out. I'll be sitting in Ming Koyeshi, I'll just join and do my reviews. Where the Muti, I've given you the hint. And we are serving the general public. And the Enya Ibehubiano. But once again, let me say thank you to Ethiopian Airline for listening to our video and fixing the problem. Yadamwase for doing that. We pray say some of these things that we see, fix it. And then we will all be proud as Africans say we have a giant Ethiopian airline doing so well. And welcome on board the Kofi TV sponsorship platform. Yadamwase say more joining and we are very privileged to have you. So watch out for my next review, which will be on KLM. I didn't like it at all. In fact, would delay me for 3 hours. And that, and also Honkrata what I say. I'm not doing it for the money, but I just want to test the system. So when the flight delays, these are the procedures I bet to media firm. And this is what you stand to. Just to educate people. But baby, now flight need delay. If I say when you mean the name be a plane to year crank near the air is about to go. No. Get the right and then. And I do see now Yadawa once again, welcome on board Ethiopian Airline. Join them and give me feedback on more Wi-Fi and how you are enjoying it. And let me know. They are doing well and let us help promote them. Aja?
Yeah.
That's it.
That's
okay, watch out for an interview this week with MTN on some issues. So audio and how some other issues be. And watch out for that interview. We will allow you to join and then get all your questions answered. Yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching.
Cars. This program is brought to you by Omama Royal Chocolate,
Delicious.
No, don't mommy be.
KTA Mobile,
It's the future.
Sam Estate, Slam Technologies,
The pen computer school wow teachers no wa botre no betimi a kire wa eno an Islam technologies.
GhanaMats.com, Auction Cars, Jack SP App,
Me kodada.
Tiger Nut Powder, Fourth Wheel Solicitors UK, Eligible App.
Download it on Google Play and Apple App Store now.
This program is brought